Welcome. This video was taken in a village called Antanambao Daodo in Sambava, Madagascar. In this video, we are diving into a day of incredible wildlife and local traditions. First, check out this master of disguise. This chameleon is putting on a show, changing colors based on its mood, temperature, and light. But that's just the start. Wait, can you still spot it? It's trying so hard to blend in with the bicycle. Nature's camouflage is amazing. All right, let's leave the chameleon and meet the village's living good luck charm. These amazing small black-headed tortoises are believed to be the protector of the village. And you can see why. It looks so ancient and wise, but tiny and cute. Turtle is a calm creature. Watch this. Every time they sense any danger, they just hide their head inside their carapace. It's their ultimate defense move. Kana naarwe. Susuri. Yep, that was bad. Kids catching bats for dinner. I had to be honest, I tried it once, but it had a very strong smell, and it wasn't for me. Then we get to the main event, porcupine season. The villagers found this big fat one hiding in a wall. They say it tastes like pork, but I never got the courage to try it. Stick around until the end to see the entire process from cleaning to barbecuing. It's a fascinating look at life. Thanks for watching. Bye.